So in this video I'm going to briefly talk about how to install this project in your Linux. So I'm using Linux 16.04 LTS. So and I'm using PyCharm. So let's first test it on Python 2.7, and so this is my virtual environment space interpreter, Python 2.7. Let's create that, and let's copy the link. I have Git installed. So everything is loaded. Now let's bring in the weights. So I already downloaded the weights, the backup folder, from the link I've provided in the readme section. So let's just move this in here. So we have our weights now. So I will just go on and test with both of these because they already implement everything in here. So let's first test with the real sense. So you see that there are packages missing. That is because we need to install things mentioned in here. Requirements, I have updated these two. I've added these two because we actually required them on top of the original dope and yellow projects. So let's install them. So let's move into the folder, then we install read requirements.txt, and we will not be using the cached versions of the packages. We want them to be downloaded from the internet. So we use this option as well. It will take some time to download everything, so I will just pause the video and resume once everything is downloaded. So all the packages have been downloaded and installed, and none of them are cached versions. And let's see if we could download Torch. Yes, the Torch version 0.4.0 could also be downloaded. This is for Python 2.7. Okay, so now let's okay, these are the things that were installed in here. Okay, let's run the real sense code. So you see all the errors are gone. Excuse me, I'm working from home. Okay. Lighting has changed, stay now, but the program is running and it will detect if. So that's for real sense. And now let's look at webcam. So that was the webcam. So now I'll go through the same process, but for Python version 3.5. So let's close the project and create another project. 3.5. Same thing. I have to clone the project. now I need to install the requirements. So again, no cache directories will be used. I'll be pausing the video for the downloads to complete. I'll resume once everything is installed. So again, all the packages have been installed successfully, and I think all of the packages were downloaded. And let's see whether Torch was downloaded. So this is for Python 3.5. Yes, I could download the version 0.4.0. So checking again, correct energy. Yeah, I was able to do that. Okay, now let's run the codes. Oh, I forgot to load the weights. So yeah, how the hand directory is working. The other stuff should work as well. And now let's test the webcam. There were some bugs for Python version 2.5. I have patched those problems and made the changes in the repository. So yes, everything is working in here as well. That's all about installing this repository, and if you find any more problems, please let me know. Thank you.